My name is Theresia Elisabeth, but people usually call me Tere. At home, my family calls me Ade. Right now, I'm in my 6th semester at the Christian University of Indonesia, majoring in English literature with a focus on translation. Every day, my routine usually starts around 5 a.m. and I clean up my room, prepare my lunch, and then my dad takes me to campus. From Monday to Friday, my schedule is mostly filled with classes, discussions, and sometimes group projects. I also try to spend some time between classes to read materials, academic articles, and work on assignments. After classes, my day isn't over yet. As an active student in the faculty student senate, I often stay longer for meetings or take care of programs. Right now, I'm the coordinator of Division 2, which handles student club activities, especially in sports, arts, and esports. One of the things I often do is arrange practice schedules for sports clubs like basketball, volleyball, and futsal. I also regularly follow up on reports from the clubs and join their evaluation meetings. This experience has taught me how important clear communication and time management are. There was even a time when two faculties accidentally booked the same schedule and I had to quickly find a solution. It was pretty stressful, but I learned how to stay calm and find a middle ground. Besides organizational work, I also make time to hang out with my friends. We talk about what's happening lately or discuss our projects. Outside of campus, my weeks are filled with church activities. I'm part of the public relations and digital media team at church when we create content to promote events and capture moments from worship, visits, or the other church activities. We are a team of 14 people, and we have become so close that I see them as my second family. One of my favorite memories was during the Eid holiday when we went on a trip to Sentul. We have played games, tried some riders, grilled corn and sausage, and even had a small worship session together. I still remember how happy everyone was, laughing, singing, and enjoying our time. Moments like that remind me how important community is. I'm also part of our church Mobile Legends eSport team. We have joined 2 tournaments so far. We haven't won yet, but that's okay. What matters to me is that we keep learning and growing together. It's a different kind of teamwork, but just as meaningful. At night, I usually spend some quiet time finishing my assignments or working on digital content. Sometimes I edit videos or make simple designs for social media. I have grown to enjoy it because it mixes creativity and storytelling. Even though it can be tiring, I also feel proud when our work is posted and appreciated by others. When I have free time, I like to relax with hobbies that calm me down. I love reading. Right now, I'm reading Pulang by Leila S. Chudori. It's a beautiful story about home, identity, and struggle in the past. It's helped me reflect on my own journey, how important it is to know where we come from and what we start from. Besides that, I enjoy sewing clothes for the people I care about. It feels so special when they wear something I made, and it becomes something meaningful to them. I also love baking banana cakes with my sister. It's one of our favorite weekend activities. We talk while baking, and the best part is saying how much our dad enjoys the cake. His smile and compliance always make us feel appreciated. From all this experience at campus, at church, and at home, I have learned so much about responsibility, teamwork, and staying humble. Balancing everything isn't always easy. There are times when I feel tired or overwhelmed, but I always remind myself that every little effort helped me grow into a better person. I believe life is a journey made of many small steps. Right now, I'm still walking mine, one step at a time. I don't have all the answer yet. Long as I keep learning, growing, and doing my best, I know I'm on the right path, and for now, that's enough for me. Thank you. Bye bye.